and welcome to the Phonics channel today with me, Mr. Tom, and today we'll be looking at another digraph sound, okay? This digraph sound, that and the together, when you see them together, sometimes it makes the ooh sound like this. Sometimes it makes the ooh sound in the middle of words. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, everybody say ooh. Well done. Okay, so let's put the ooh sound into some words, shall we? Okay, first word we have is s. Ooh, t. Suit. 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 Okay, right now I'm wearing my suit pants. These are suit pants. The suit jacket is in another country, I can't wear it, but you can have a suit jacket as well. If you're wearing a suit, you're looking very smart, okay? You might go to school if you're a teacher in a suit, or you might go to a job interview wearing a suit, okay? Suit, suit. Okay, next one is fruit. Fruit. When I say the f and r quickly together, fruit. Fruit. I like to eat fruit could be a sentence. Okay, the fruit I like to eat are strawberries, bananas. Those are my favourite fruits. Fruit. Fruit. Well done. Okay, next one we have is this word. Bruise, bruise, bruise. Okay, I have a bruise on my leg because maybe I fell over or fell into something. Okay, I have a bruise on my leg. Okay, how many letters does bruise have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? Bruise. Okay, when I say the when I say b and r quickly to make a br sound. Bruise. Bruise. Okay. Mr. Peabody, what have you got for us today? You're gonna go to the. He's saying he's gonna go to the beach. You're going to the beach? But that's my swimsuit. Okay, that's my swim shorts. Okay. So these are swim shorts. You could say a swim suit to go to the beach or go to the pool. Okay, I'm gonna cover you like this now. Because those are mine, you can't take my things. Okay, I'm only joking, I'll take it off later. Okay, swimsuit. Swim. Swimsuit. And what together making a sw sound. Swim. Suit. Swimsuit. Okay. I am wearing my swimsuit when I go to the beach. Okay, super stuff. Let's say those words again one more time. Say it with me at home. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Suit, suit. Fruit, fruit. Bruise, bruise. Swimsuit, suit. Swimsuit. Okay, when a word is quite big, you might want to separate it into parts, into syllables, and then say it together, like swimsuit, like that. Okay, if you're at home, you know what to do. Get yourself a piece of paper, write the phonics words and sounds on your piece of paper, draw pictures for each one. That would be great. Or you can go around your house trying to find these things. Maybe your mum or dad has a suit. Hopefully there's fruit in the fridge. Maybe you got a bruise from falling over on a playground, and maybe you got a swimsuit for when you go to the beach or to the pool. Okay. Thank you very much for watching us today on the Phonics channel. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.